With 95% of its token yet to hit the market, Optimism Crypto is building up enough demand to leverage on, such that some experts think it will hit more than $9 in the next 3 years, a milestone in the crypto world. Whether it achieves it or not, Optimism Crypto has set an example. Today's video is on why Optimism Crypto is important for Ethereum. Optimism Ethereum Scaling Solution. Optimism Ethereum is using technology to cancel out the nuisance transaction fees that make Ethereum an expensive blockchain. The technology is called optimistic rollups. It combines the data of hundreds of transactions, from NFT minting, token swapping, etc., and rolls it up into a single transaction on the Ethereum Mainnet. When the transactions become one, the single gas fee charge is evenly distributed among all involved.
I like the sound of that.
Of course, the name Optimism has significance in terms of validation. While the original Optimism Crypto functions independently, it is another layer of Ethereum. The second layer comes with over 35 smart contract protocols and still uses the same proof-of-work methods. Shortly, we will discuss the amounts set up in the smart contracts and the technique OP uses to verify transactions. As such, the activities on the Optimism Crypto's layer need validation from the primary Ethereum network. So once the transaction is posted there, the validators check to confirm the various transactions to ascertain their legitimacy. The blockchain layer assumes that all the transactions are valid, and as such, rolls them together. If there are pessimistic feelings towards a particular transaction, validators can submit fraud proof with the appropriate computations and data for a quick reversal. Moreover, the gas fee is reimbursed should some transactions be found illegitimate or invalid. In June 2019, Ethereum promised a solution to cost and security issues on their main network. The project mirrors Ethereum and can perform all functions on the main network. As of December 2021, Optimism Crypto is a second proof-of-work layer on Ethereum built on top of the first. As promised, the Optimism blockchain will follow suit when Ethereum transforms into a proof-of-stake network. Currently, DeFi Llama says Optimism has at least $313 million set up in its smart contracts for users. The DeFi aggregator details that there are 35 protocols on Optimism, each bearing at least $1,000. However, Synthetix alone has $125 million. The Optimism Crypto token was first distributed on May 31, 2022. The first eligible token holders received it via an airdrop. That is receiving free tokens. Initially, 231,000 people were expected to receive these 214 million OP tokens via airdrops, thereby leaving 95% of the 4.29 billion OP token supply for later. Unfortunately, the servers crashed under the traffic, and many people did not receive theirs.
As always,
those who claimed it early dumped it, leaving the token a bit shaken. In a tweet, the Optimism team said they had learned from the experience for future airdrops. They tweeted, "While we're thrilled that OP airdrop number 1 is live, we recognize the frustrations our users experienced and have detailed the day's events, and more importantly, what we've learned and how we'll apply those lessons to future airdrops." What have the lessons from the first airdrop indicated to analysts in terms of demand and pricing? We will share 3 predictions from variable sources shortly. Before the second airdrop dates are withheld, all eligible accounts will be contacted and informed of the tokens due to them. For a chance to become eligible, you need to start navigating the OP blockchain and trading a few OP tokens. Note that the currency might not be at its highest game right now, and your capital could be at risk with how the general economy is going. Bank of America's Alkesh Shah said that digital assets are bound to be affected the most during macroeconomic decline since they are still speculative, as far as most people are concerned. Shah said, "Our view is that risks related to rising rates, inflation, and a mild recession are likely discounted. But the potential for a hard recession, our macro colleagues expect S&P 500 EPS to fall in 2023, may result in growth underperformance and another risk asset correction, including crypto digital assets. We know that the currencies might not perform all the way, but what are the actual figures for OP tokens? Subscribe to find out now. On Optimism Crypto Price Prediction, digital coin price has set $2.48 as the cap for 2022 and $3.69 by 2025. By 2030, they expect prices to reflect $8.65. Crypto Predictions says we should expect $2.39 by year-end and $5.72 by 2025. Meanwhile, Coin Arbitrage Bot says we should expect the OP token at around $9.18 in 2025. But for now, we can realistically see the token in the year at $1.61. The risk accompanying new cryptocurrency is still available despite Ethereum's vouch for the OP platform. Still, the goal is to solve cost and security issues with Ethereum while scaling it to the top, hopefully beating Bitcoin one day. Crypto is an excellent way to make money online. However, there are more exciting digital marketing options. Please watch our video, Passive Income 2022 Ideas that actually work for beginners. Make $200 per day with this ideas to learn more.